What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on the Z again. We're actually gonna be installing something you guys have been asking me about. Installing new wheels. Again, they're gonna be stock wheels, but look better than this. These are actually XSR's 18s. I really like these wheels, but the car's making noise when I'm driving, and I suspect it's just because of the wheel setup. And in the back are 17 G35 stocks. And yeah, there's 18s in the front, 17s in the rear. It doesn't look good. I think it's causing issues, so we're just gonna change them to stock wheels. I'll show you stock wheels once we put them on, but they're one of my favorite wheels. I'm gonna give you a hint. It's a Nissan Infiniti wheel. It's a forged wheel, so it's one of my favorites. I've had it on a couple cars that I've had, and we're gonna put it on this one too. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. So we ended up buying new lugs for the wheels, because those are OEM wheels and they don't fit with these aftermarket lug nuts. They're sort of like, yeah, we bought a whole new set. If you want to know, they're 12 by 125, and can't wait to see them on the wheels, on better wheels. This fender, it's on its way. We're taking off the whole fender. We're replacing the skin completely because this is really bad. Good thing is bumper's still good. Everything else is pretty good. The new hatch is sitting good. So yeah. Alright guys, without further ado, here are the temporary new wheels for the Z. Alright guys, there it is. Some G35 19-inch forged rays on the Z. So the reason I went with these wheels for now, again, this is temporary. The reason I went with them, sorry if you guys hear the noise, the wind noise. The reason I went with these wheels were, they're one of my favorite stock wheels, besides the Nismos. But as you guys know, the Nismos are super duper expensive. These are very hard to come by in the condition that they are. So like, if I could show you, so that they're in very good condition. I got them in really good price, and then I just got some tires meanwhile, just to put them on. Again, this is not the permanent wheels. This is just a temporary setup to get away from the 18 in front, 17 in the back, and give the car a better driving experience. We did a lot of mechanical work. That's next video that you guys will see. But for now, the car is driving perfect, and it looks so much better with a 19-inch. So in the back we have 265 35s, and then in the front we have 235 35. And in the front I have coilovers on right now, so the front is perfect, dialed in perfectly, and that's with 20 millimeter spaces in the front. And in the rear, they have spaces also 20 millimeters back. I think we could do the 25 and bring it out a little more, and that's just perfect back here too. So I'm really happy with how it came out. And like I said to you guys, this is just temporary setup. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with wheels wise. If I can find some Nismos and nice price, I'll probably invest in those. But as of right now, that's the setup. And yes, I'm parked in the middle of the street for this picture. My neighborhood is pretty much calm, so there's not a lot of traffic, sort of. But It was just a momentarily thing. Once again, guys, the Z, a lot of stuff coming in. You guys have no surprise. So it sits perfect. We have a lot of stuff coming up for the Z. A lot of upgrades. We're already gonna upgrade it for better. And yeah, bro, it looks so good. The Brimble's coming out of the wheels, showing off the wheels. It looks great. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna do a lot of mechanical work for the Z. Very much needed. And I'll break it down with everything we did at the end. So once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.